In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply templates automatically in ClickUp. If you're looking to save time and streamline your workflow, automating templates in ClickUp is a game changer. This feature allows you to set up processes that automatically apply templates to tasks, lists, or projects based on specific triggers you define. Whether you're managing a team or organizing personal projects, this step-by-step guide will help you get everything set up quickly and efficiently. Let's dive in and make your ClickUp experience even more productive. To get started, the first thing you need to do is navigate to the space, folder, or list where you'd like the automation to apply. This is important because automations in ClickUp are context-sensitive. They'll only work in the specific area where you create them. So make sure you're in the right location before moving forward. Once you're in the correct space, folder, or list, look for the lightning bolt icon labeled Automate in the upper right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the automation panel where all the magic happens. Next, from the Actions drop-down menu, select the option that says Apply a Template. This tells ClickUp that you want to use a pre-existing template as part of your automation. After that, it's time to choose your template. Click on the Template Center and browse through the templates you've already created. Select the one that fits your needs. For example, if you have a project template with specific subtasks, custom fields, and checklists, make sure you pick that one here. Before proceeding, take a moment to verify that the template you've selected includes all the elements you need. This could include things like custom fields, subtasks, checklists, and descriptions. If anything's missing, you'll want to adjust your template in the Template Center before applying it. Now, let's move on to setting up the trigger. On the left side of the Automation Builder, you'll see a list of trigger options. These triggers define the conditions under which your automation will run. For example, you can choose when task is created, if you want the template to apply automatically to new tasks. Or you might select when status changes, if the automation should be triggered by a specific status update. Pick the trigger that best matches your workflow requirements. Finally, once everything looks good, your template is selected, the trigger is set, and the automation is configured. Click the Create button to finalize your automation, and that's it. Your automation is now active, and ClickUp will automatically apply your chosen template based on the trigger you defined. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start organizing your work more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.